Ryan moved a button in his VSL 6 minutes earlier based on something we identified in a session. 40% conversion lift. €9,000 a year from moving a button. Tracy used a diagnostic script we built together. The first 2 calls, 2 sales. 100% close rate on a brand new business model. You copied the engine, but what they end up with is just a photo of an engine, not the engine itself. Because I've been building my AI system for a couple of years now, hundreds of iterations. I have daily updates. The logic that creates the outputs is now dynamic. It shifts based on the conversation, the context, what came before. And you can't reverse engineer that from the finished product. It's like trying to recreate a conversation by reading the last sentence. Last month, someone showed me their attempt. They'd studied my work, built similar prompts, used the same tools. The outputs were flat and generic. They couldn't figure out why. These aren't outputs you can copy. They're results from a system that adapts to each person's situation. AI amplifies whatever you bring to it. Clear thinking, real experience, good questions. It multiplies your output. Confusion and vague prompts, they give you confident sounding noise, but they're useless. The tool is not the problem. The problem is they're trying to use someone else's engine without understanding what powers it. The skill is not prompting, it's judgment. Knowing what a good output looks like, knowing when to push back, knowing which question unlocks the next level. That judgment comes from experience, from pattern recognition, from having done the work enough times to know what right looks like. So I put forward that AI doesn't replace that. It requires it. You can't download judgment. You can't copy experience. You can only build it. If AI isn't giving you what you expected, the question isn't which tool or which prompt. The question is, what are you bringing to it? And if you're bringing confusion, you will get polished confusion back. That's where calibration matters. Not to replace AI, to become the kind of operator who can actually use it. I won't give you more information. I'll just help you with better judgment.